Does it come from the sun? Is that where light comes from?
So here, I think that's a really interesting question. And the way that I think about it is that, and I'm going to get a little philosophical here, but basically, suppose you imagined that there was something that was infinitely powerful, something that was infinitely loving, something that had infinite knowledge, something that was infinitely present. That thing would shine with light. And to me, that's the origin of light. That's where all light comes from, is if we imagine this thing or this entity with omnipresence, omnipotence, omniscience, omni-lovingness, or harmony, that thing is what light is in its source. Now, I could look at it a different way, and I can take us through a little thought experiment to get to the same place as to what the nature of light is. So basically, suppose we were in a large space, or we can take a room, or we can take something much larger, even the size of the universe, and you had a source of light in the center. And if we can imagine that that light would travel infinitely fast, then in this thought experiment, if light traveled infinitely fast, it would fill up the whole thing, the whole volume, no matter how large. It would be present in that volume instantaneously. So it would have this property of all presence. If anything not of the nature of light were to arise in that entire big volume, it would be overpowered. So this light would have a property of all power, basically. And since this light is instantaneously present everywhere, then anything that appeared or disappeared in that volume would automatically be recorded in the substance of light. So it would have a property of all knowledge.